Hey guys, if the Chrome browser sends a ping frame but doesn't get a response in time, it assumes the connection is broken or unstable, which caused the error HTTP2 PING FAILED error. To fix this problem, go to Windows button, Settings and go to Network and Internet. On Windows 11, click on View Internet Connection. Click on Proxy option and disable all the enabled option here. Now go to Status, click on Change Adapter option. Right click on your enabled connection, Properties, double click on Internet Protocol version and type preferred Google DNS server 8888 and alternate DNS server is 4222. Click OK. Now again go to Windows button, type cmd and run the command prompt as administrator. Once open, type these commands. Type ipconfig /release and press enter. Type ipconfig //dns and press enter. Type ipconfig /renew and press enter. Now type the final command, nets winsock reset, press enter and all done. Type exit, problem solved.